Welcome to the Clipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to attach a video on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint, and after open the PowerPoint just open up any document or blank document. Now from here just click on Insert tab, and at the corner you can find media option, and here you can see video, then just click on video. Now here you can see three options: this device, stock videos and online videos. If you want to attach any video from your device, just click on this device and then choose any folder. And after select any video, just double click on this video, and that's it. You can see the video has been attached successfully. Now if you want to resize your video, just put the cursor here and you can change your video size, also video position. Now just click on this play button.
Welcome to the
And that's it. Now if you want to increase or decrease your video volume, just click on this icon. And that's it. From here you can adjust your video sound. Now if you want to add any thumbnail on this video, just select your video and then click on video format tab, and here you can find poster frame, then just click here and then click on image from file, then choose any option. If I select stock images and then choose any category. If you want to insert this image as your video thumbnail, just select it and then click on insert and give it a moment, and that's it. You can see the thumbnail has been added successfully. Now click on video again and then click on playback option, and here you can find a option which is start, then just click here. You can see three options: in click sequence, automatically, and when clicked on. Now I am select when clicked on, and it's done. Now just click on this video and you can see it's playing the video. And that is how you can attach video on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.